Disclaimer: this content is for educational awareness only, not a promotion.
Hey everyone, welcome back to D Reviews, the channel where we separate fact from fiction. Today we've got something that'll make you do a double take. A video went viral on TikTok from @EllaWybgen, filmed right here in Brisbane. At first glance, people thought, whoa, that's a Brontosaurus. We mean, come on, who wouldn't want a dinosaur casually chilling in their backyard? But here's the kicker. Locals actually filmed it, and initially, it looked like a branch. Just a regular tree branch. Nature really loves its optical illusions, huh? So what's really going on? The video shows a huge coastal carpet python, Morelia spilota mcdowelly if you want to impress your friends, slowly emerging from the tree. These snakes can grow up to 4 meters long, climb trees like Spider-Man, and definitely make you question what you thought was just part of the scenery. Now back to the Brontosaurus theory. Sure, the snake looks huge in the video, dramatic angles, maybe a little slow-mo magic, and suddenly people are screaming, it's a dinosaur! But let's get real, folks. Dinosaurs have been gone for millions of years. Unless we've secretly been hiding Jurassic Park in Brisbane, it's safe to say, nope, that's definitely not a Brontosaurus. Even 9 News Queensland confirmed it. Folks, it's just a giant snake, not a prehistoric creature. And while these pythons are impressively long, they are non-venomous, so you don't have to call the fire department yet. Lesson of the day: if something looks like a branch but moves, it might be nature's way of reminding you that the outdoors is wild, and not every giant-looking creature is a dinosaur. Sometimes it's just a really photogenic snake. Stay curious, stay safe, and don't judge a branch until you're sure it's not a snake. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next wild fact check.